Let me tell you this, Brandon. Here streets have code we never Google no know. You need to understand certain things about the streets. And you have to in the streets to know certain things about the streets. Hear this. You have youth where go so bam and go in the streets with a strap. And the first time him touch the road with them clips them load, police either murder him or him end up a GP or run off a 10 to 15 year sentence. So nobody feel like say the streets are no plaything in a youth. The streets is not no plaything.
Yo, Brandon, wagwan. You know a long time I see the man from you come down the station, come free up better than tuggy. You not see from them time there. But by the way, Brandon, how you do on the side of town? Me know you must know so the man them pan yearns and the man them from down the side in a war. So we do on the turf for you? We do on the turf. Watch your head back, man, and just go and take it easy and go back on your black youth. Tell we don't want nothing else to do in a youth. Is it?
I go on officer bro, you know say me good still, you know say just a early morning walk me take I just go and clear my mind still. But me good differently still man, me there I go and shots go back by my hands. So when I deal with
You don't know the straps, man, how it go in the streets so we, man. We just there go and protect the neighborhood as always.
yeah man officer bro man, me understand the 100 man, I don't know I love and respect same way man, you see me I go back by my hands you know, so look a bit. Jaja God, that was a close one you know. Jaja, a good thing some me tuck in the thing need pa my belly. Now the police them never suspect nothing. But channel style me have to be more careful and mindful when time in the streets. As G go say, the streets have code and right you know, we need to learn it.
Yo bro, I feel say Brandon alright. You know still in about him not look so 100 in our mid still you know. I feel like him brain get chip round a one part from him get the shot what the area. Me no know. Him just look edgy a while ago. Me no know still but something not right. Me no know wagwan but Brandon no look like him good old self no more.
You're right, still in a willing. You're right. Him never looks so innocent in him face no more, coming like him dep on some deep heavy preements. But then again, you can't have to blame him neither for pre different. Because one of friend them can't him up what the area. So me no know. I could just go and observe him and see where I go and still and see if we can make sure we say we did feed him a little way because we really wouldn't want another good ghetto youth for stray.
That's why I feel love is saying about that. You're a real man, you know. Look how me just met the talk and you just like get everything organized and I go get my one liquor place right, you know. Boy, better than me not lie. Me love you.
At least that man Ashley, I don't know say me I general in a place you know, if I say that for do, that I got for do. You see it? I watch no face man, everything copacetic. Yo, tuggy, what go on? You did get the two little juvenile them to go mash up the liquor work and get the liquor place sort out for Ashley get.
We are say man, my general man, you know if you ask that from the general call and say if you deal with that little small issue, me I go deal with that quick and fast. So as you come off your phone, so my general, me just go get the juvenile them if you start clean up the place. So Ashley can get it. You don't know any of my general. Anything you say, Allah.
Alright then tuggy, we are walk around pan the ends, go look on the place, make you see where I go on. Yo Ashley, at the place this you know. Yes, so may I talk to you about so you can get a seat. You like it?
Then better than I could have what this. Our kind of whole pop down, broke down, nasty looking place this you want me, good girl Ashley, if you come lie down, you know. You mad? Something wrong with the better than? I what this really want me if you come lie down, you know. After that nice night last night, me sat you out well prepper, and I this you want come get girl Ashley. You could have bride. All them things are just slackness, you know. But I'm wrong, I careless if you come lie down with you. Because this, I disrespect.
Hey girl Ashley, who you are chat to so mind me a step over your bone now, no mind me have to slam all the head in the wall there, no girl. No way I do man, back up man and chat to man with respect. A garrison man living in you say what you expect to get. You expect to get nice louver windows and all these nice things. And that's a garrison or a garrison place so you don't know say so garrison house look. So it's either you gotta take it or leave it.
Ah, boy, me I tell you enough, Father God, me I tell you. Then I really this good Ashley narrow down to. Look her better than one for come put Ashley worse than round about villa. He's a stay around and my mother and go and beat it on the floor and come as I come live. The house pop down and mash down and look like a rubbish heap. I really as a better than really want to put me. Better than I'm really look for you and ask you something. So last night never mean nothing to you. You really want me, Ashley, to come live here, so? You not rate me better than. You not rate me none at all. Look on the place. This not even fit for a homeless person lie down in it. And I'm near one can lie down in this better than. You not rate me none at all, boy.
So let me ask you again, dear Ashley, what you did expect to get? You feel say uptown as a garrison man living as a garrison type of living this. All you have to do is just make sure say you fix up on the inside, polish out the place, clean out the place, and we get a bed and I just put in a place and you're good. But I watch the outside, man. We don't know, so the outside set a certain type of way, but you don't know a garrison type of living, man. So you have to just work with it.
Hey, Brandon. Good morning. How are you doing today? You came to mind, so I'm just checking in on you to see how you're doing.
Morning, Rachel. What going? You know, so me there in the morning, I just get up out of the bed and go take a little quick walk around the block. So just clear my mind still, because I still no feel 200 boat are going on right here. I don't know the things yet. So what go on with you? You good?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. I'm about to get up myself and get my day started.
So what's your plans for later, Rachel? You know more I'd love to see you again still, because me not feel too good about just rushing you out of the venue over there because of my little personal differences with me have a going in my life. Would I really love a chance to make it up back to you still, you know? What you say about that?
Oh, wow. I thought you'd never asked. So yeah, I'm sure we could definitely do something.
Definitely sound good to me. So here we go on, Rachel. You have to go choose a nice restaurant where you would want to go in. Because me and garrison you, I really know not much about them up to a nice restaurant thing there. All me do one time, me hungry, I go to one of them like a corner shop and go buy one $2.50 box food or a $5 box food, depending on how the packet stay. So you don't know more you for choose a nice little restaurant so we can just put on some fit for sitting and we'll have decent reasoning. So just get that organized and show me the information. And definitely I will meet you there later.
Okay, Brandon. There's really a nice Japanese restaurant and marketplace that I like, and I do love me some teriyaki chicken.
Japanese restaurant, teriyaki chicken. That sounds very different, way out of my league, but I guess it won't hurt to try. You seem like a really nice young woman in a Rachel. I would have definitely love to get to know you. So most definitely, I'll see you later. You know, so that girl Rachel seem like a really nice girl. For they are one by if a God way this way show me a sign for say all is not lost and me still can find myself a real one. The girl sweet, she beautiful, me love how she talk and articulate herself. She never talk patwa too tough. That I for just for show you say is a girl who come off a good table. Me need for really put in some effort because every now and again she give me a little small nudge on my side, you know. I say, yo, I'm interested. I just me now as the man to just push a foot and make it happen. So I go up on that date, man, and see if I can make a lasting impression with that girl because would I love to have sheep on my hands and show the man and man them in a place so yo, I get over Ashley totally and step up my thing and make the man them know. Say, yo, Brandon back in full flight, in full action. Yeah, man. So I gotta put some effort in this thing, man, and give this girl a lasting impression later and ponder dinner date there. I wonder which part in the house I can lock off the strap on because I can't hold up on the street with this all a while because I get a close one in the idea. Officer Brown and Officer Williams could have catch me well easy. Any almost like one of them like a regular youth there in the streets. The man them would have dig me up and I could have get slapped where I get sent gone a person quicker and fast. As Jigo said, the streets have code and a serious business are going right now. So I have to make sure so I pencil out my thing the real way or else I could have find myself on the wrong side of the fence. So Brandon, think which part I can hide the strap in our next sense. As a youth growing up, me always hear my father saying, anytime you gotta hide something from somebody, hide it in a plain sight. Me have some of them little decorative books they will get from Sheen. You don't know if you just make the place look nice. Ashley did buy them too. So guess what I go on? It's not really a real book or some decorative book. So inside it hollow. So alright, that's why me I just rest the strap in a plain sight. Nobody won't see alright, that's why it I go there. So alright, that's why me I got lock it off. Right, you know.
You know, so I'm still there wonder and I ponder to myself, which is really a strap that the boy Brandon get on Ghana if I ends with it. You know what go on? You know, I forgot to see if I can figure that out under Sykes. Because anyhow is a strap that the boy Brandon get on me there, so day in, day out, a bleach and a wool off the ends. And the good time I can get a strap a win time a day up on the ends. I gotta start corrupt and different. Because who is Brandon for come for money and so come and get strap on me there, so born and grow with the man them fight the war, and is a man from over the opposite side where we are war with, not that we are war with Brandon still, you know, but a man from over that side the same way come get a strap off of my ends and me not have none rightful that I gonna make me corrupt and different right now. But me I link the man them down pon the ends of more. The man them will responses trap them on the Sykes and see if me can find out if Brandon really get one.
Yo, country, where I go on? What you deal with? You good?
Yo, I told you, I say man, my goat man, my there man, you know, say I want come round pon the ends and come give a link shortly, so me just give a heads up for see if they on your black as it. I want come give a small quick reasoning.
Yeah, man, me there on my black man. Why come give me a link when you hear the man? Me there, as it.
Yeah, man, I tell man, I say I would, man, so forward come give a one pre. Me never know how me I go ask all that tool all of this right now, and I can't me no want him pre too deep in I think I'm good, I go link all the General G go and the General go to start all pre so me are fast and I'm business with Brandon. And me no want that, me no want an unnecessary problem. But if Brandon get a strap on me, they right as up on the ends every day, I hold off the front for the General. Me supposed to can get a strap to her anyhow, me can't get none. Me definitely have to go pre-corrupt. You're a tool, we are deal with me G. We do it on the front as I come, give me a one link, them I need to show you a pre.
Yo, country, give me a second here. I throw on a one shoes and forward out on the front there. Zit, give me a second, me a forward.
So here I go and I know my General. You don't know say me run off on the front the most of the time. So a little object from cross the free there, the little youth to them called Brandon, come cross or come check Jiga, you see it. So I don't know what transpire between them down there, you know. But when time Brandon I left, it looked like Brandon have a strap on him waist. And I know so yeah the man a responsive general thing them so. I don't know what go on, so I just ask you if everything copacetic and I don't know if a thief Brandon come thief the strap from half ends, the carry back pan females, the strengthen up females. Cause you know so we and them boy they ever at it. So I don't know how to go to the general for ask a general that cause I don't know a general that still. So I better I come to you for just figure out if everything alright where the strap them concern.
We as a youth, Brandon from Casa Free come link the General and left off at the ends of that strap. I know so come to think of it. In a morning, the General did call me still for send a little juvenile with that strap come game still, you know. So I don't know what go on where that is concerned, cause you don't know a General or do you think me not to question nothing. General so if I push out a strap for you to reach him, I just push out a strap for you to reach him. But now that he has a Brandon left off I ends with a strap, that is cause for concern. I go link the General still ask the General or really what go on where that is concerned. Cause we have to make sure we say boy them not thief the strap from half of the ends cause anyhow that get thief. You don't know see how we the General I go push the blame pan for me. Yo, Chano star. Now have to go really ask the General what go on you know. Yo, good thing I make me know what is still youth. Decent one this youth, decent one up. I gotta make the General know the pre and forward back and make him know exactly what go on. While go on them a general, I know some want come give you one reasoning to do upon the ends. They run upon the ends.
Where I go on with their tool, you know, some of their own pan the ends. Where I go on? Where they pray? Everything good?
Yeah, man, my general, man, everything good by my part, man. But me get to understand a like a thing go on, so I just want to come straighten out certain things with you to make sure say everything copacetic and everything is it.
Yeah, man, forward, man, but they're out by my black man. Come give me a link.
Brandon plus fat Matic in a hand equal to get rid of Tuggy and better than, yeah man.